This video is for my Stan Store users. How we're going to add our ebook into our Stan Store is we're going to log in and go to My Store. If you're on a computer or a tablet, it will be located on the left side of your screen in your menu. If you are on a phone, it will be at the bottom of your screen. So we're going to scroll down and go to Add Product. Then we are going to choose the Sell a Digital Download option. And then we are going to fill all of this out. We will add our thumbnail. You will choose how you want it previewed in your Stan Store. I typically choose the call out option. You will put your heading here, so Canva Crash Course or whatever you decide to call it, your subheading, and then whatever you want your button to say. Then we'll go to the checkout page. You will add a header here. So it's going to show you a preview as you are typing or adding images. As you are editing this, it will show here on the right side of your screen. So you'll add photos, you can add a video, you could do a Canva website template and just add your photos here. But however you decide, this is essentially your listing your website for your Stan Store. You will set your price. If you want to do a discounted price, say originally your book is $47, but you are selling it for $27. This is how it will show in your Stan Store. And then you will go down and just change each option. These options are for the Stan Store Pro users only, so you do not need these. Then the most important part is uploading your file. So you're either going to upload it directly from your device, or if you're using a Google Drive link or the Canva website template link, you would just put it here, or your Canva ebook link. You would just put it here, and then you would type whatever the name is, Canva Crash Course, ebook, whatever you want to put there. Then you can see how your email looks to your customers. I believe you have to be a pro user to edit this, but this is what Stan sends out to your customers after they purchase from you. Then all you have to do is publish and you are good to go. If you are editing and you get busy, you can save it as a draft and come back for later.